Israel has just made a massively military move that has left global powers on edge. From advanced fighter jets to cutting-edge drones, this strategic leap could change regional and global dynamics forever. Stay tuned as we break down every weapon and reveal why the world is watching closely. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Israel's latest military announcement, a move that's turning heads worldwide. Israel has been quietly upgrading its armed forces, integrating new technology, advanced weapon systems, and modern strategies to maintain a strategic edge. From fighter jets to drones, tanks, missile defense, and even space-based reconnaissance, every element is carefully designed to strengthen Israel's position. While some may see this as routine modernization, experts argue that these developments could significantly influence the balance of power in the Middle East. In this video, we'll cover the entire arsenal, how it affects regional rivals like Iran, Syria, and Hezbollah, and what global powers like the US, Russia, and China are observing closely. By the end, you'll understand why this isn't just a military update, it's a strategic statement. So let's start with the backbone of Israel's air power, its fighter jets. Israel's Air Force is arguably one of the most advanced in the region. The F-35 stealth fighter, known as the Adir in Israel, has brought next-generation capabilities, including advanced radar-evading technology, precision-guided weapons, and unparalleled situational awareness. Alongside the upgraded F-16s, these jets allow Israel to strike targets with speed, accuracy, and minimal risk. Pilots undergo rigorous training to exploit every advantage, including electronic warfare capabilities. These aircraft are not just defensive, they provide the ability to project power far beyond Israel's borders. Regional adversaries have taken note, understanding that these jets could effectively neutralize key military infrastructure within minutes. Moreover, integration with drones and real-time intelligence ensures that fighter jets operate with near-perfect battlefield information. This combination of air power and surveillance makes Israel's Air Force a force multiplier capable of deterring aggression and maintaining aerial dominance across multiple fronts. Israel's ground forces are centered around the Merkava main battle tanks, a homegrown design optimized for both offense and defense. The Merkava series, especially the Mark IV, features advanced armor, an innovative layout prioritizing crew safety, and powerful main guns capable of penetrating modern enemy armor. These tanks are equipped with active protection systems that can intercept incoming missiles and RPGs, dramatically increasing battlefield survivability. Israel also integrates drones and reconnaissance units with ground forces, giving tank commanders real-time intelligence on enemy positions. In urban warfare scenarios, Merkavas are particularly effective, offering both firepower and troop transport capabilities. When combined with Israel's infantry and artillery, these tanks form a rapid response backbone capable of dominating regional battlefields. Continuous upgrades, including advanced targeting systems and mobility enhancements, ensure that Israel's tanks remain a step ahead of potential threats in the Middle East. Drones have become a cornerstone of Israel's modern military strategy. Systems like the Harop-NG, often called kamikaze drones, can strike high-value targets with precision, while surveillance drones provide real-time battlefield intelligence. These unmanned systems reduce risk to personnel and extend Israel's reach, allowing operations deep inside enemy territory. Drones are integrated with fighter jets, tanks, and artillery, creating a networked battlefield where every movement is monitored. They also serve as early warning systems detecting missile launches or troop movements. The combination of offensive and defensive UAVs allows Israel to conduct strikes that are both precise and efficient, while continuously gathering intelligence to refine strategies. As a result, Israel's drone program not only enhances tactical capabilities, but also serves as a strategic deterrent, signaling to adversaries that attacks will be met with rapid, coordinated responses. Israel's missile and air defense systems form one of the most sophisticated networks in the world. The Iron Dome intercepts short-range threats with remarkable accuracy, protecting population centers. David's sling fills the mid-range gap, while the Arrow system targets long-range ballistic missiles, ensuring a multi-layered shield against potential attacks. Israel also possesses offensive missile capabilities that can strike targets with precision hundreds of kilometers away. These systems are fully integrated with radar networks, drones, and satellite intelligence, allowing for rapid detection, tracking, and interception of incoming threats. The combination of layered defense and precision offense makes Israel a formidable player in regional security. These advancements not only protect Israeli cities, but also act as a strategic signal to adversaries that any aggression will likely be countered effectively and decisively. Israel's naval capabilities have grown steadily. Combining submarines, missile boats, and advanced anti-ship weapons, the Poseidon H-10 submarines provide stealthy strike potential capable of launching cruise missiles from underwater without detection. Surface vessels carry systems like the Blue Spear and Sea Breaker, giving Israel long-range precision strike options at sea. These assets protect strategic waters, ensure maritime security, and project force when necessary. Naval intelligence is tightly integrated with aerial and land operations, creating a networked defense system that can respond quickly to threats. This modernized fleet allows Israel to control critical maritime routes, prevent enemy infiltration, and maintain a deterrent posture against regional powers. Israel's focus on cyber and space capabilities adds a modern edge to its military. Satellites like Optosat 3000 provide high-resolution reconnaissance and communication support, while cyber systems protect critical infrastructure from attacks. Space-based surveillance allows Israel to track movements of military units and potential threats across the region in real time. Combined with electronic warfare, these capabilities enhance situational awareness, improve targeting accuracy, and secure command networks. Cyber and space operations act as force multipliers, complementing conventional weapons and enabling rapid responses to emerging threats. This integration ensures that Israel maintains an advantage not only on the battlefield, but also in strategic intelligence and early warning systems. Israel's latest military upgrades have immediate implications for neighboring countries. Iran, Syria, Hezbollah, and Hamas are closely monitoring these developments, understanding that Israel's enhanced air, land, sea, and cyber capabilities could neutralize offensive strategies. Regional rivals are forced to reassess their own defense and offensive plans, invest in countermeasures, and adapt tactics to avoid being outmaneuvered. Israel's integrated military systems create a deterrent effect, signaling that any aggressive action could face rapid, precise retaliation. These advancements contribute to Israel's strategic stability, reducing the likelihood of direct conflict while also maintaining a credible threat that shapes regional decision-making. Global powers are also paying attention to Israel's military developments. The United States continues to support and monitor advancements, while Russia and China assess the balance of power in the Middle East. Israel's upgraded arsenal influences not just regional security, but also international diplomacy, arms negotiations, and strategic alliances. The combination of advanced fighter jets, drones, tanks, missile defense, and space systems positions Israel as a technologically sophisticated military actor. This has implications for arms races, defense contracts, and geopolitical calculations far beyond the Middle East. In essence, Israel's military modernization sends a signal to the world it is ready, capable, and strategically aware. In conclusion, Israel's massive military move is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. From fighter jets and tanks to drones, missiles, naval power, and cyberspace capabilities, every element contributes to a strategic advantage. Regional powers are reassessing their plans, and global powers are watching closely. These developments show how modern warfare integrates technology, intelligence, and strategy for maximum impact. If you found this analysis insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest military news. Also, leave a comment below. Which of these weapons do you think gives Israel the biggest advantage? We'd love to hear your thoughts.